Good morning. Yes, I look like shit because who wakes up pretty? Some people do. But this is a realistic morning routine. It is kind of gloomy outside, which I'm confused. But yeah, I thought I would do a morning routine. I know I look crazy. I don't wear glasses. I used to. I wear glasses sometimes when I'm like in the house or whatever, or when I don't have my contacts in, but I wear contacts. I am blind as a bat. You guys, I'm blind. I don't know if, fun fact, I can't see, okay? It's bad. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get this morning routine started. All right, let's wash this face. I had to go buy more contact solution because I ran out. All right, face is washed, teeth is brushed. I do need to shower this morning because I did not shower last night, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quickly, and then we'll get the rest of this morning, I guess, started. All right, I'll be right back. Let me put y'all on. I just got out the shower. I was at Target yesterday and I decided to pick up the Olay one. This is the Rinse Off Body Conditioner B3 plus vitamin E. It's good. I put it on and my skin feels good. Like if you guys haven't tried in shower body conditioners or lotions, try them because they actually freaking work. Just wanted to let y'all know. But I'm out the shower and usually this is when I do my skincare, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So I have this little sample that I got from Sephora when I ordered something online. This is for the Laneige Cream Skin Toner and Moisturizer. So I'm just gonna use this as my toner this morning just to get rid of it. And then I'll use my other. Oh, ew, it looks like milk. Oh my God, what is this? What did I get myself into? What in the world? That was very interesting. It looks like milk, but it's supposed to be a toner and a moisturizer in one. I mean, it feels good. Interesting, okay. I'm not mad at that. I am not mad at that. Okay, and then I'm going to take my Desi Vitamin C Serum. Take a couple pumps of that. And I always love to drag my skincare down my neck because your neck is very important, guys. And then for moisturizer today, I'm going to use the Pixi Rose Ceramide Moisturizer. I love this stuff, so good. Take some of that, put that all over my skin. This literally leaves you looking so glowy and healthy. It's amazing. And then we're gonna finish that off with some good old Laneige. I'm actually coming down to almost finishing it. I still got a ways to go, but this literally lasts you forever. And this is the finished skin. Look at that, just ooh, the glow, the dewiness, the healthy. That's what we love to see here. Now let me go ahead and put some clothes on, and then I'm gonna go and make the bed.
Ooh! Y'all remember those strawberry cream saver candies, like a lifesaver back in the day? That's exactly what it tastes like.
I had to pause the, I was watching Andrea Renee. Love her. If you guys follow her on YouTube, she's awesome. But the bed is made, so let me show you guys. This is the set that I was talking about in my moving vlog. This is the Casa Luna bed set, and then that's the pillow that I got. So as you can see, the tones for the room are very warm, beige. We're gonna add some greenery to it. You know, it's taking some time. This pillow is not centered, so it's bothering me. But y'all, trying to make a king size bed alone when you're a tiny human being is difficult. It takes a long time. I'm sweating just from making my bed. It's always easier with William's here because we can do it together, but he's not, so gotta do it alone. But anyways, bed is made. So now we can head downstairs and make something to eat or drink because I'm thirsty and I'm hungry. Prop y'all up here. Get you down a little bit. I'm gonna light a candle. The candle that's currently burning downstairs is the Forever Mood Butterfly Effect. This is one of the candles from her spring collection that she just came out with. I want to make some breakfast this morning, but then I'm like, I kind of want Starbucks. This is a normal off day for me, by the way. My schedule is a lot different on a work day because I have school in the morning. Normally I have schools in the morning, but it's Memorial Day, so we don't have school today. Yeah, this is an off day for me, so it's a little bit more chillaxed. I do want to go get some coffee. I have to run some errands this morning. Do I want to make breakfast or do I not want to make breakfast? I'll make some breakfast. I'll make some bacon and eggs, nothing crazy. And eat it with a banana. This is the breakfast we have. I don't know if you guys can see it. We just have some scrambled eggs, some bacon, and I'm gonna eat a banana. And that's it. That's what we're gonna eat this morning. Oh, Lord. Okay, yeah. I have some coffee, but I don't feel like making coffee, so I know I have to go and do errands, so I'm just gonna get coffee from Starbucks when I'm out. But honestly, that's it. That's my morning routine. Everything else is just me doing whatever I need to do for the rest of the day, whether it's errands, filming, whatever. But that's pretty much my off day morning routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different than what I usually do, but I want to do a little bit more lifestyle vlog style content. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.